what about having a practice right now? Now you have food, you have price, and I already gave you two adjectives that you can use with food and one adjective that you can use with price. How can you put them in one sentence? And remember, I need you to merge these two sentences using the correct linking word or a preposition, for example, at. Now you have 1 minute to do this activity. Okay, let's check your sentence now. So this is the sentence I'm expecting to see. So the restaurant serves spicy Asian food at a reasonable price. Now, let's move on to decor and atmosphere. So again, here are the examples. So the first sentence is the decor is classic and the atmosphere is formal. So classic, formal. So these are the two things that we merged together. And again, in this sentence, we used the word and. It's an additional linking word, so we used it to add more points, add more ideas. The same thing with the second sentence, the restaurant's atmosphere is friendly. In addition to that, the decor is modern. So again, you can use in addition to that if you want to add more points to the same sentence. All right, now what about having a practice again? So you have decor, modern, atmosphere, cozy. I want you to form a sentence, merging the two sentences, making one full sentence. You have 1 minute to do this, and we will come back. Okay, let's check your sentence again. So this is the sentence. This is the correct sentence. The decor is modern and the atmosphere is cozy. Okay, now let's move to staff and service. So you have different adjectives here and the same thing with service, and here are some examples for you. So the service is excellent and the staff are professional. The restaurant service is slow, but the staff are friendly and welcoming. Again, remember, we're talking about staff here. We're talking about the people who work in the restaurant. So what about the last one here? The service is poor and the staff are impolite. So this is a negative sentence. You didn't like your experience at the restaurant there. That's why you said poor and you said impolite. Again, let's move and have practice. So again, you have an adjective related to staff and an adjective related to service. You have 1 minute to write down your sentence. Okay, let's have a look at the sentence. So here we go. This is the sentence. The service is fast and the staff are welcoming. Okay, now let's move to another task. Now let's move to task number 3. In task number 3, you need to read the restaurant review and note down the main parts of the review. This is a little bit different from the first one that we have seen before because it's longer, and if you look at it carefully, it has 3 different paragraphs. So in each paragraph, there is a piece of information. Again, you need to note down, you need to underline the main parts of the review. Remember atmosphere, remember food, remember location, and all of the things that we talked about. You have 3 minutes to read it carefully and note down the main parts of the review. Okay, now let's check the main